Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are prepping and getting ready for my little sister's wedding. Today is Thursday morning, so we have all day today. Tomorrow we have rehearsal, Saturday is the wedding. So you guys are gonna come along for the next 3 days, all the prep, all the getting ready. I'm so excited to share with you what it takes to go from this to this. By the way, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. I make new videos every week on beauty, fashion, lifestyle, sometimes mom stuff, health, fitness, literally everything. So make sure to subscribe, turn those notifications on so you don't miss out when I put up a new video. And if you haven't already subscribed, I'm doing a huge giveaway for a Louis Vuitton bag when I hit 900K. So make sure to subscribe. Right now, I'm drinking some coffee. So first up, earlier in the week, I went and got my lashes filled. So they are looking super fluffy and thick, just how I like them. I also had to go get my dress altered. I have this super pretty neon hot pink dress, but I'm short girl problems. I have to get everything hemmed. If it's for like a special occasion, it's a long dress. So I had to get that hemmed, even though I'm still wearing high heels, but it's perfect now. I packed for the weekend last night. I still have a little bit of packing left to do, but her wedding is actually about like 3 hours from our house. So we're making our way over there in the morning and we're staying the night in a hotel for a couple nights for the whole weekend so we can just be there the whole time. I'm so excited and it's just gonna be so fun. So right now we're starting Thursday morning. I have a hair appointment in like 2 hours with my sister and my mom. We're going to Sam's, so I'll bring you guys there. But first, I have to self-tan. I have no other time when I get home. I have to pack Julian and clean the house and all that stuff, so I have to self-tan now. But the issue is I never had time to go get my nails done or my toes done this week. My nails look okay. They're just a very sheer, kind of creamy, light pinky white. I did them at home. It's gel polish. I did them last week and they look pretty good. I feel like I don't have to redo them. Like they're just simple and clean. My toes, on the other hand, I have not gotten done since my last prep video, which was my Hawaii prep. I'll link it up here for you guys. I had so much fun filming that video, but my toes are still like bright orangey red. It's like that Cajun shrimp color. Let's go into my bathroom. Ignore my messy bedroom. I've been packing all day. So when I don't have time to go to the salon, I will do my gel nails at home myself. It is so easy. If you've never done it, watch my video on like step by step. But the brand I use is Red Carpet. So they have these little wraps that you just put remover on and you let it soak for like 10 minutes. You scrape it off and then you basically do your nails like you normally would, like base coat, polish, top coat. You just make sure to cure it under this little light. You just press one button, it goes on for like 30 seconds. It's seriously so simple, anyone can do it. So the color that I have on my nails, I think is this one. It's also from Red Carpet, Candid Moment. They have a ton of good neutral colors, but I think on my toes, I'm just gonna do regular polish because that usually works out well for me and it's faster. So let's do that. This is definitely something I never thought I'd be doing on camera. I always buff, that's super important so you can get that smooth, glossy look at home. For polish, I'm gonna use this really pretty pink one. It's from Olive and June. I think the color is just SE. That's all it says on the bottom, SE. So let's try it out. Hopefully 2 coats will be all I need. Okay, 2 coats. I think it looks pretty good. Not as good as if I went and got like a pedicure, but for doing it at home in like literally 5 minutes, I think it looks really good. This color is super cute. I'm gonna let it dry, go make myself a smoothie, and then we'll come back up here and do self-tan. Okay, this is the mitt that I always use to remove any old self-tan, really exfoliate my skin, make it look super smooth and even before we start. So I did that in the shower, I shaved my whole body, and now we can start. First thing you wanna do is make sure you take all your jewelry off. I'm gonna put a little bit of lotion on my drier patches, like my elbows, kind of around my nails. a tiny bit on my armpits because I feel like that's kind of weird to have like tan armpits. And then a little bit on my ankles, just so it doesn't look patchy anywhere. And then I'm gonna use the 2 Hour Express because I wanna wash this off when I get home from the salon. I don't wanna have it on all night because I like to be able to take enough showers before the event. I've never had like a huge problem with transferring or anything like that, but I would rather not risk getting any self tanner on my really expensive dresses. So I like to be able to shower at least like 2 times before, and that will really last. This lasts like a good week. So, but I take quick showers. Like I'm not sitting in there doing like a spa shower. So 2 Hour Express in dark. I'm gonna do 2 layers on the mitt. I have a coupon code where you get a free gift, either the polishing glove or the mitt, and they're both awesome. So I do a couple pumps. I'm gonna try to do this while holding up the towel. You just really take your time. You can always add more and do more layers, but you cannot take away, you can, but you can't. Like, just take your time with it. Don't do too much at once. And if you have a really hard time making this look good, don't worry. Use this one instead. This is like a moisturizer with tanner mixed in. It's a gradual tan. So just use that for the week leading up to the event or the vacation or whatever, instead of trying to do this on your own for the first time, you know, or like just practice a couple times. But I've been self-tanning now, oh my God, for 8 years. So I'm like pretty good at it. Just use a very small amount on your wrist and on your hands. It's just basically to make it blend. You're not trying to like get super tan hands here. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest of this off camera, clearly, and I will see you guys at the salon in like an hour.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, we made it. We are at Sam's salon. I have Julian with me in the back. Normally Michael and I try to make it so that if one of us has an appointment, the other one can stay home, but we accidentally made hair appointments at the exact same time today. Okay, we're here. You ready? You gonna be a good boy with mama? You got your book. You got snacks. This is fun, isn't it? Look right here. Ah! Oh yeah, look in the mirror. That's you, big guy. That's you. Where's your grandma? She's supposed to be meeting us here. Okay, I got a couple highlights and blended my roots a little bit with toner. So I'm sitting under the dryer for a little bit. What are you getting done? Move up. I'll move up. The bride has arrived. My hair is done. I feel so fresh and cute. I love this cut and how it's like curled under. I think it is so cute. My highlights, we just freshened them up a little bit, kind of at the base there, and then toned the top so it kind of melted nicely and it didn't look like a straight line of where my highlights grew out. But I'm obsessed. And I got my little halo cut as well. So if you guys want a halo extension for like special occasions, you can get them from Sam. So you just go to her and she picks the right color and she orders it for you and everything. So it's super nice if you want to have the look of extensions sometimes, but you don't want permanent extensions. I had clicks from Sam for a long time. Frankie has them in right now and they look so good and I love them. But I was just ready to have a break, so just the halo is nice to have for like here and there. So I will show you guys what it looks like on the wedding day. You'll see I'm gonna wear it, but today I have nothing in and I think it looks so cute.
But I just saw the halo in and it looks really cool.
Yeah, like she cut it to be like the same length as my hair just to give me like some fullness, which I think is nice for days when you're taking pictures and stuff.
Totally. I love even how it looks right now.
Yeah, I think it looks cute like this. Okay, we're gonna head to girls' lunch now. Hi everyone, my name is Alex. If you don't know, I'm Frankie's older sister. Cheers to the bride.
To the bride.
Woohoo!
Fun.
Ooh, it's good.
I know.
Yeah, it's good.
For a reason.
Okay, it is Friday, day of the rehearsal. I made it to my mom's house and we are getting ready. So I thought I would show you guys. I'm gonna do my hair in this really cute little bun. And then I think I might do my makeup later. but I'll let you see how I do my hair. I just got it cut. You guys saw it in the last clip. So hopefully it can still go up into that bun. So I've curled all over my hair. Basically, it does not matter what the curls look like. You just want to get like volume and texture. So I did a lot of hairspray and dry shampoo just so, because my hair was super clean and then it can kind of fall flat and we need a lot of volume and body. I know this light is so bad, but okay. So you want to leave out like your little front curls, however much you want. You need these little clear. New coffee with Cindy. If you didn't know. Okay, you do a little half up, one more, and you put the rest of it up. Make sure you leave out those little pieces. So it should look like this, and then you just connect it. Okay. All the hairspray again. Cheese. Cute still. Now I'm just gonna recurl these little pieces. Mega freeze. I'm gonna bring you into my lip filler appointment. Now I know this is a touchy subject. I get my lips filled usually about once a year. For me, sometimes twice a year, but honestly once a year is really all I end up needing it, and I really love the way that it looks. Like when I look back at old pictures, I really feel like it balanced my face a lot. Now the only bad part about this is I'm extremely picky. It's just really been hard to find a place that I love here. I used to love going to the plastic surgery center in Nashville, so whenever we would just go there on vacation, I would just try to make an appointment and get in there, but that got harder and harder because we'd always go for weekends and they weren't open. So I have gotten them dissolved before because I just was like that unhappy with them. And so my advice to you guys is, if you have friends or you know someone that you know and trust that gets it done and you trust their recommendation in your area, I would go there. I don't have anyone in Michigan that I can recommend to you guys yet. I'm trying this place out that I'm going to today for a second time, and I know some of you guys are like, why are you doing this the day before her wedding? But it's fine. I don't usually bruise. I didn't take any ibuprofen. It covers up with liquid lipstick and concealer. I have gotten it done plenty of times before a big occasion and no one's ever noticed. I've got 5 minutes before my appointment. I'm gonna go in here, and usually I get oh, what is it called? I don't get Juvederm. I think it's called Restylane Silk, and I get a half of a syringe. I think it's 0.5 milliliters. So we will see. Here's the before. Okay, update. I don't want to talk too loud because I have all this numbing stuff. I don't want to numb my lips or my tongue. I've been sitting here for over half hour. I hate when you have to wait that long. It's so annoying. I might just have to leave now. This is so annoying. I might just go. Okay, I went out the front desk and they said she's gonna come right in, so if she does, I'll get these done in 5 minutes, but if not, I cannot be late to her rehearsal. Okay, so I left. I didn't get them done. It's just kind of frustrating for obvious reasons. So I went ahead and did all my makeup in the car with these numb lips for no reason. That was obviously not, now I can't even talk. That was obviously not what I was expecting to happen, but I guess this is just a huge fail. So I had been to that place one other time, so I had already paid for the syringe. I had half left, so I wanted to go there again so that I could use what I already paid for. But yeah, they just never came into the room, and then I told them I needed to leave because I had to make sure I made it to my sister's rehearsal on time, and they said sorry, but they're like, we don't know how to make it better. And it's like, to me, the way to make it better is to like be upfront and honest and say, hey, she's actually running like, you know, almost 45 minutes behind. If you need to leave and change the appointment, we understand. Like, that would have been the way to handle it, not just kept telling me like they kept saying she's finishing up, she's finished now, she's coming in, then she never came in. So it's okay, I know things happen, but it's just so annoying when you drive that long. I called this morning to confirm my appointment with them. I never got a text or email or call or anything, so I actually called them to confirm, and I was like so excited about it for this video. But it's okay, it probably worked out better in the end that I don't have big swollen bruised lips for this weekend. So it's probably all meant to be anyways. But I did my makeup in the car really quick, and then you guys will see me tomorrow at the wedding. Okay, so we are almost prepped and ready for this wedding. I just need hair, and I started on my makeup already a little bit, just the eyes. So we're gonna do hair now. I'll put the time lapse on. But let me show you the most beautiful bride. Stand up so you can see the full effect. Oh my God. So, okay, let's really show the dress.
This is literally 10 minutes.
This is it, like, yeah, everyone else just left. It's just us, Dad, Julian, and Michael here. This is the most beautiful dress. Who makes this dress?
Enzoni. It's called the McKinley.
It's so pretty. All right, you guys, I accidentally forgot to film the outro of this video. After this whole wedding weekend of prep, I cannot believe I almost forgot. So we've already had the ceremony and the receptionist started. I came down here to change Julian's diaper. Michael and I were eating cake in here for a second, and I wanted to show you guys my final outfit. So this is the dress. I feel like I'm probably bloated now because I already ate like 2 pieces of cake, but really pretty, hot, like neon pink. But it has like the little slit in it. It fits really well. And I paired it with these.
The lighting went bad real quick.
Okay, good.
Yep.
I paired the dress with these really cool rainbow earrings that I bought a few months back. And I just like literally threw them in my bag last night. And they ended up looking really cute, I think. You like them? The shoes.
You are so fire.
I got these cute little PVC shoes from Schutz. Super comfortable. And they make your legs look long. And hair and makeup wise, my friend Heather came and did the hair this morning like you guys saw. We just did tons of like messy curls. Tried to make it super voluminous. I have that halo in that Sam did. And makeup is just my usual bronzy with tons of highlighter and bronzer. Whoa, big guy. Okay, here you guys can see the makeup really close up. Super glossy lips, tons of highlighter. The fun earrings and the neon dress. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and had fun prepping with me for my sister's weekend. I didn't get too many photos tonight, but I'm really excited to get all the photos back from the photographer and see how they look. She was the most beautiful bride. It was a beautiful wedding. The ceremony was so cool. I can't wait for you guys to see their video. It was just really intimate and beautiful and very emotional. We were all crying the whole time, so it was just such a fun day. And I'm so happy that I got to be a part of it. And I hope you guys had fun being a part of the prep, the beauty prep, the fun girly stuff with me. Please subscribe if you're new to my channel. I make new videos every week. I love filming like fun, random videos like this for you guys on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Give this one a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.